The message I'd give to the women in Africa is, as women, we must be each other's keeper. We must be best friends to each other because we are unique in nature and we know what affects us most as women. If we become each other's keeper and each other's best friends, and we amplify the voices of those women who are suffering, and we bridge the gap between that informal woman and the formal woman, the women will reach places that no one ever thought they would. So my message to the women in Africa today is unity. Unity of the African woman. No matter the background, women, we are women. Things that affect us are the same. We just need to hold on to each other, help each other. If you have something as a woman, maybe you are richer, or maybe you are more educated, or you are educated, the other one is not educated, just use those things you have, or some facilities you have, to help that one who cannot afford. For example, we have women that can afford to give birth from outside their countries. But we have some women who cannot even afford to go to that nearby clinic or hospital to have a safe delivery. So if you are that woman in a position that you can use to assist another woman, please do it. If you are a woman in that position that you can use to assist any suffering man, please use it. Let's show the world that women can. Let's ensure that we break all those barriers in a just way, in a legal way, and in the most deserving way. Let's lead by example. Let's walk the talk.